I woke up too early today. The time is somewhere around 7:40. Uh, so in the morning, uh, huh, so sometimes I feel that my paranoia has dragged many people into this case. My paranoid behavior, that doubting everyone. But if I won't doubt, I'll lose and I'll die. I'm finished then. If I don't doubt. And if I say, look, if anyone says that he's just a paranoid fuck, so I've been working on my, what do you call it, evidences. In 2022, when there were physical access in GID, I kept my portable hard disk here. My sister was living here in this flat. So the portable hard disk data was deleted. 19 November 2023, I kept all my devices here. And after that, uh, somewhere on 4th of December 2023, the that thing was done. Parameter was put on portable. So that means I worked. I worked on my this thing. And this way, and uh, I worked on evidences. If I don't be don't keep this behavior, I don't doubt, then I lose, I die. I don't doubt anyone, then that's what it is. So there were several times I saw my death coming, but his behavior I started doubting, and so. But I seriously feel that there might be some people who have got dragged into this unnecessarily. If it has happened, so I feel sorry for them. I feel sorry for them extremely. And so when I speak with myself in this place, some sent me advertisement of chasing Stormbreaker. No, Storm Rider. Me. Huh? Me chasing Storm Rider. Who? Jacqueline Fernandez. Hmm? I cracked the century, the case of the century, the case of the decade, which is going to be the biggest trouble in the of the century. I have those stuff which everyone can use it to find criminals. I have the book of the century. And the stuff which I typed, it's nothing. It's 1%, 1 or 2%. The crime which I have caught, it's what do you call it? Storm Rider. Hmm. Jacqueline Fernandez. I am chasing Jacqueline Fernandez. So, huh. And one more thing. The dream thing. The dream. What happened yesterday? I was like, it's happening too fast. I'll give you an example. In my sleep, I heard a song. It was going in my head. Kingston Town. And the same day, the landlord came inside the house and he said that he wants to sell the flat. And I was like, okay, you do whatever you got to do. Then that day itself, that Kingston Town, I feel like Kingston Town is my town, Chempur. I am born over there. So this place is also good. KP is also good. Pune is also good. Everything is. But I'm born over there. I lived my most of the years over there in Chembur. East, not west. West I hated. And then Ah, the Apache thing I saw. The red eye, the, what do you call it? A paint over here. So the matter is, uh, whenever I go anywhere, I jump into any rock shows, I jump into any shows going on, and I sing there. I kind of, but not for money, as if any partner is there or anything. So I sing over there. Huh? So I'm practicing few rock songs. What I'll do? What I'll do? Hmm? I'm practicing few rock songs, and I thought it was spiritual, that Apache thing, but there is a rock song. There is a cage all over. The band is singing, and a girl with the red eye patch, the Apache thing is there. So it was a signal in my dream that you should continue your rock song. Do whatever you do, practicing. Okay, I didn't get the dream anything about the Jean Claude Van Damme dance. So, uh, and then there was one more thing. Uh, make your ex jealous. Somewhere game. So you know what will happen? My exes, if they will bring 10 boyfriends, I should stay quiet. If I take one girl in front of them, they'll kill my happiness. They'll kill my happiness. They'll say that's the reason you ran away. That's the reason you wanted to go to Mumbai, or that's the reason you wanted to go to Pune. Huh? They'll fuck my happiness. So I have to be very careful. They show up with 10 guys. They say, look, I was with him. They try to make me jealous. Look, he was my boyfriend. He was. So if they show me as it, then I should stay quiet. But if I take one, it's a serious condition. Then they'll eat me alive. So that's why you ran away. Acha, this was your thing. So I have to be very careful. And uh, look, yeah, I am paranoid over here, and how can I see anyone? So, any rumors like that, those are all lies and false and made up thing. And what do you call it? Come on, my parents live here. When in after the 2014 WAC events, uh, coming back from rehab, a year then. So after that event, when I moved in with my family again, my father gave me that it shouldn't happen again. He will clearly disown me. Huh? He will clearly disown me. It shouldn't happen again. Huh? So I kind of went. I always stayed this way, that no complaint should land up in my house, and that's it. Uh, and what more? I'm forgetting. There was something more. I forgot actually. So I cannot do any kind of because I didn't see anyone from the west. You can check my records. My father was living there. My father has a very strict rules regarding this. And the news which they jump on, they're jumping on whatever the therapy. Those were supposed to be made, you nutcases. That's the case. That's the case. Those were supposed to be made by you people. That's the case. That's why I pulled you out. That's why all this stuff is. That's the case. The news, the Edinburgh, the GPS spoof, the what do you call it? The same GPS spoof does the bank thing, the loot. So online transaction. So that's the case because that phone itself is making the news. That's the case. It's a case of the century. This is the most popular case of my state. I guess it has reached beyond the state now, and this is what do you call it? Uh, me myself, I cracked this case that how many are involved, and what is the scene, and how many powerful people are involved. Hmm? Come on, this is a political matter. The politician in that guy from the west is connected to gangsters till everyone. Huh? He had no what do you call it? He tried uh, the same thing. How he looted, grabbed the land from my father. He tried the same thing to me. It didn't work. The accusers were kicked out from the police station. What the fuck are your accusations? Excuse me. I tackled that too very wisely. So, accusations didn't work on me. And police is not giving report because they are saving those people. That you think you are in a team and all those stuff, but the boy is in the upper hand. The boy will fuck your happiness. Huh? So that's the case. What more? Well, have fun, and I seriously, if my paranoid behavior, if anyone I have dragged into this case, I am so sorry. If I wouldn't doubt anyone, I am dead. If I won't doubt anyone, I am dead. I am so sorry. If I have dragged into this case, I am so fucking sorry. Forgive me. Don't speak with me. Don't see my face. Don't, but forgive me. I'm in a difficult situation. Try to understand. If I have dragged anyone into this, please forgive me.